Project Mahipalpur by Ryan International School Vasant Kunj was started in 2010 with a view to contributing to the society.
What was the idea behind running this project?
Well, this Mahipalpur project, as you have asked me, has been a beautiful blessing to this unit, and this came forth as a vision and as a dream from our chairman sir, which was put into action, and it became a beautiful project. And it all started with the whole idea of sir wanting to transform society wherever the branches of Ryan's exist.
The voluntary participation of the students in the upliftment of Mahipalpur is evident when they show their concern for the people in the village.
This project, Education on Wheels, you've been a part of it. How has your experience been so far?
It has changed my mentality and about the difference between the deprived society, and it gives me a great pleasure to help them and work for it.
Respected Chairman Sir of Ryan International Group of Institutions, Dr. Augustine Francis Pinto, has always been the source of inspiration, teaching by example. Spread the light of knowledge has been one of the pillars of the Ryan schools. The students of Ryan International School, Vasant Kunj, took up this task as a challenge.
Teaching these people who don't have any information, they don't know English, they don't have basic knowledge about it, it's very, very challenging experience. But yeah, it's quite good, and I'm really looking forward.
Environment-friendly activities are also integrated into the project. Based on the needs of these economically weaker sections of the society, remedial classes, various nutrition camps and anti-drug camps are also organized.
नमस्ते, यहाँ हमारा स्कूल रायन इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ कैंप लगाता है। वो आज तक 11 कैंप लगा चुका है। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अगर आप आए हैं कैंप पे? हाँ, मेरे को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी कि रायन स्कूल की तरफ से ये कैंप लगता है यहाँ पर लोगों के लिए फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम जो होती है वो काफ़ी दूर हो गई है और काफ़ी चीप है। ये डॉक्टर्स भी आते हैं और उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब काफ़ी जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो काफ़ी सॉल्व हो गई हैं। कई लोगों की जो मतलब डिजीजेस थी वो बहुत कम हो गई हैं।
आंटी, हमारे स्कूल ने यहाँ पे एक सिलाई सेंटर खोला है, तो उससे आपको कुछ फ़ायदा होता है?
फ़ायदा होता है। काम करने जाते हैं उनको क्या नाम है, हमको फ़ायदा होता है। अगर हम क्या नाम है काम करेंगे तो हमको 4 पैसे मिलेंगे, अपने बच्चों को पालेंगे, अपने घर में कुछ काम देखेंगे, ठीक है, तो हमारे घर उसी से चलेगा।
सिलाई स्कूल से मैं हर लेडीज़ को, लड़कियों को आत्मनिर्भर होना सिखाती हूँ, ताकि वो कम से कम और दूसरों के नहीं तो अपने कपड़े सिल सकें, और यदि दूसरों के कपड़े भी सिलते हैं तो उनसे वो अपनी थोड़ी बहुत आमदनी कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि उनको खर्चे में चल सकता है, हेल्प मिल सकती है।
रायन स्कूल से यहाँ पे बच्चों को पढ़ाने आते हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बच्चों में क्या लाभ है?
हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत अच्छा लाभ है। यहाँ पर आते हैं और बच्चे जो है पढ़ते हैं और यहाँ दवाई वगैरह सारी सुविधाएं मिलती हैं हम लोगों को।
हमारे जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए भी और उनकी जो हमारी जो मिसेज है उनकी भी जांच की गई, और जो सुविधा प्रयान ने दी है वो किसी ने भी नहीं दी, और काफ़ी पेड़ पौधे भी लगाए हैं और काफ़ी हेल्प कर रहे हैं।
The community outreach programs undertaken by various Ryan schools sows the seed of compassion, empathy and values in the students at the very young age. This is what is appreciated by the parents.
What changes do you feel in your daughter now that she's been actively participating in the Education on Wheels and everything?
See, my daughter Pragya in class 9 has been associated with Education on Wheels, and she's become more responsible and more caring, and she's become sensitive towards the society. I would like to appreciate the initiative taken by Ryan International School, because this is the best way to inculcate the values in the child, because they are learning to give it back to the society, which is very important in nowadays.
My daughter is in class 12 and she's associated with this Mahipalpur project for the last 2 years. And she told me about it. It's pretty interesting what the school is doing for the Mahipalpur people. And it's the health project which I am part of, and that's how I got it.
So ma'am, how has your experience been so far?
It's been a very good experience. There are a lot of activities which are being done in Mahipalpur. So the school. They put up a lot of health camps which have been done. Specialized doctors are there coming to treat people. Free medication is given, and there are special TB camps were also taken care of there. And a lot of things are being done for the girl child also there. A lot of nutrition and meals and everything is being done for the girl child. So it's very good that what the school is doing there and how the people are being taken care of. It's not only the education which is the school taking care of, the school is taking care of their health as well.
सूतिया राता ऊपर जाती है, आशीष देखो नीचे आती है, प्रभु हमारा कितना महान, देखो हमसे करता है प्यार.
This My Parliament project has now become a part of our Ryan family. Our school promises to provide them with the best of the facilities, help and aid whenever required. This is YJ Muskan Badwa signing off from Beyond Breaking News.